Guys, today I'm going to talk about one issue that has been concerning me for a while. I guess a lot of people, not just me, and that is about microplastic pollutions. The other day, I read a report, like 2 days ago. There was one report that says that there was one thing that is worse than acid rain. For those younger people, you might never, you may not have heard about the acid rain, but actually there used to be a bigger problem. That is the rain caused by the air pollutions, by the burning coals, and also by car emission. And then the acid rain can be so bad that when it fall to the lake, it could kill the fishes and also kill the trees in the forest. So that used to be a big problem. Now we take care of it, but now the one problem that is a microplastic rainfall that's even worse than that. So far, we don't have the solution, easy solution for that yet. So that's the big problem. There is another report, the statistics says that each year in the U.S. national park and the wildland, it received the 1,000 metric tons of microplastic particles falling from the sky. So you can imagine how much it is because plastic is very light. So when we talk about 1,000 tons of plastic, that's a tremendous amount. So what is the problem? The problem is that it can get into the ocean. And obvious that's the biggest receiving part of the land, of the earth, and it can get into farmland, but also can get into the rainfall, and eventually it enter your body. And there's a study shows that it enter our brains and affect the function of our brain. So that's the big problem. The other point that I want to make is that you don't have to believe the global warming or anything like climate disruptions. You don't have to believe that, but microplastic pollution is real. Everybody, it's been with us for a while, and then it's in our body. So, so that's the thing. Another thing is we don't have the easy solution yet. Like if you go to the supermarket, they may still give you a plastic bags, but in my opinion, the paper bag is just a no match. It cannot hold as much weight as a plastic bag, and obviously, it cannot last as long as a plastic bag. So we don't have the viable solution yet. So we have to worry about that. For individuals, it's easy because if you burn your tap water, that can basically kill 90% of the microplastic. But for the society as a whole, we need to find the solutions. Okay.